Top 9 best free online courses with certificates. Today's courses. This is the list of the courses that we will cover today. Become an Android developer from scratch from Udemy. C# Fundamentals for Absolute Beginners from Microsoft. The complete iOS 10 developer from Udemy. ASP.NET Core from Microsoft. Python for Everybody from University of Michigan. Full stack web development with React from HKUST. Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python from MITx. Creating a WordPress theme from GYMNASIUM. Responsive Web Design Fundamentals from GYMNASIUM. Become an Android developer. Become an Android developer from scratch is designed to be the best first step to launching your career as an Android developer. Whatever you have never programmed before or are coming to mobile development for the first time, if you are truly inspired to learn Android development, this is where you need to start. Key topics. Create your own professional quality Android apps. Deploy to the Google Play Store. Interview for a job anywhere in the world. Rating of this course is 4.2. More info about this course. It will take approximately 11 hours and 32 minutes to complete the course, and the language is English, and it comes with free certificates. C# Fundamentals for Absolute Beginners. Learn C# programming from an expert in the industry. Get the tools, see how to write code, debug features, explore customization, and more. Key topics of this course: Visual Studio, data types and variables, array string, code file, project and solution. Features of this course: 100% online courses, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option. The rating of this course is 5. The complete iOS 10 developer. The complete iOS 10 developer has just one goal: to turn you into the best developer, freelancer and entrepreneur that you can possibly be. So whilst this course gives you all the developer skills you could ever want, it also has more. A complete section on how you create a startup, right from idea all the way through to raising millions in venture capital funding. Key topics of this course: develop professional looking iOS apps, have a solid skill set in Swift programming, have a range apps published on the app stores. Features of this course: 100% online courses, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, course videos and readings, programming assignments, and it comes with English, French and Spanish language. The rating of this course is 4.4. It will take almost 49 hours to complete the course. ASP.NET Core. Explore ASP.NET Core, a software development kit and tooling. Learn how to build an ASP.NET Core app with Razor Pages MVC and get the details on logging and diagnostics. Key topics of this course: ASP.NET Web Application, Logging and Diagnostics, Configuration. Features of this course: 100% online courses, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, apply your skills with hands-on projects, course videos and readings, assignments with peer feedback. Python for Everybody. This specialization builds on the success of the Python for Everybody course and will introduce fundamental programming concepts including data structures, networked application program interfaces, and databases using the Python programming language. In the capstone project, you will use the technologies learned throughout the specialization to design and create your own applications for data retrieval, processing, and visualization. Key topics of this course: install Python and write your first program, describe the basics of the Python language, use variable to store, retrieve, and calculate information, utilize core programming tools such as function and loops. Features of this course: online video content, shareable certificate, flexible schedule. The language is English. The rating of this course is 4.8%. It will take 8 months to complete the course. Full stack web development with React. Learn front end and hybrid mobile development with server-side support for implementing a multi-platform solution. The first two courses in this specialization cover front-end framework, Bootstrap 4 and React. On the server side, you will learn to implement NoSQL databases using MongoDB, work within a Node.js environment and Express framework, and communicate to the client side throughout a RESTful API. Learners enrolling in this specialization are expected to have prior working knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Key topics of this course: Bootstrap front-end framework, Node.js, jQuery, SAS, style sheet language, authentication, MongoDB, Express.js. The features of this course is shareable certificate, earn a certificate upon completion, 100% online courses, start instantly and learn at your own schedule, set and maintain flexible deadlines, intermediate level. This course comes with English and you will also get subtitles of English, Arabic, French, Portuguese, European, Italian, Vietnamese, German, Russian, and Spanish. The rating of this course is 4.7% and it will take approximately 3 months to complete the course. Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. This course is the first of a two-course sequence. Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python and Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science. Together, they are designed to help people with no prior exposure to computer science or programming learn to think computationally and write programs to tackle useful problems. Some of the people taking the two courses will use them as a stepping stone to more advanced computer science courses. For many, it will be their first and last computer science course. These run features, lectures, videos, lecture exercises, and problem sets using Python 3.5. Even if you previously took the course with Python 2.7, you will be able to easily transition to Python 3.5 in future courses, or enroll now to refresh your learning. Key topics of this course: a notion of computation, the Python programming language, some simple algorithms, testing and debugging, an informal introduction to algorithmic complexity, data structures. Features of this course is expert instructions, instructor-paced, free optional upgrade available, language English. It will take around 9 weeks to complete the course. Creating a WordPress theme. By the end of the course, you will understand which WordPress tags are needed to translate your HTML, CSS design into a website that takes advantage of WordPress content management features, including posts, pages, and plugins. This course will teach you how to install WordPress locally and dive into the essential components of a WordPress theme. Specifically, you will learn the following: the role of the WordPress loop, modifying a pre-existing style sheet in order to enable WordPress features such as a sidebar, using includes to speed up development time, and adding WordPress specific features such as navigation menus. Key topics of this course is setting up a local development environment, how a WordPress theme works, the WordPress loop, converting a static HTML page into a dynamic WordPress template, the hierarchical structure of a theme, using includes to optimize your theme development, adding to your theme. The rating of this course is 4.3 and it will take almost 3 months for the course. Responsive web design and fundamentals. This course is an introduction to responsive web design strategies and how to implement those strategies through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will learn how responsive thinking affects content writing and structure, as well as your design and development workflow. You will also explore best practices for responsive typography and images, creative tips to improve the visuals of your designs, and how to identify and improve site performance across mobile and desktops. Key topics of this course: setting the stage, basic mechanics and leveling up, typography and layout, navigation patterns, advanced enhancement, performance. The rating of this course is 4.4 and it will take almost 3 months to complete the course. Thanks for watching the video.